Surah Al-Naml, the ants. This surah is Meccan, containing 7 sections and 93 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
طاسين تلك آيات القرآن وكتاب مبين.
Qasin. These are the verses of the Quran and an illuminating book.
هدى وبشرى للمؤمنين.
Guidance and glad tidings for the believers.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Those who establish the prayer and give zakat and are certain of the hereafter.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة زينا لهم أعمالهم فهم يعمهون.
Indeed, those who do not believe in the hereafter, we have adorned their deeds for them, so they are blindly wandering.
أولئك الذين لهم سوء العذاب وهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
For these very people, there is a terrible punishment, and they will be the worst losers in the hereafter.
وإنك لتلقى القرآن من لدن حكيم عليم.
Dear beloved Prophet, surely you received the Quran from the Most Wise, All-Knowing.
إذ قال موسى لأهله إني آنست نارا سآتيكم منها بخبر أو آتيكم بشهاب قبس لعلكم تصطلون.
Remember when Musa said to his wife, "Indeed, I have seen a fire, so I will go. Soon I shall bring to you news concerning it, or a firebrand, that you may obtain heat."
فلما جاءها نودي أن بورك من في النار ومن حولها وسبحان الله رب العالمين.
So when he came to it, he was called out to, "The one who is by the fire, and those around it have been blessed. And Allah is pure, Lord of all the worlds."
يا موسى إنه أنا الله العزيز الحكيم.
O Musa, indeed it is I, Allah, the most exalted, the most wise.
وألق عصاك فلما رآها تهتز كأنها جان ولا مدبرا ولم يعقب. يا موسى لا تخف إني لا يخاف لدي المرسلون.
And cast your staff. So when he saw it slithering as if it was a snake, he withdrew with his back turned, and he did not look back. O Musa, fear not. Messengers do not fear in my court.
إلا من ظلم ثم بدل حسنا بعد سوء فإني غفور رحيم.
However, he who oppressed then changed his deeds to good after evil. So indeed I am most forgiving, most merciful.
وأدخل يدك في جيبك تخرج بيضاء من غير سوء في 9 آيات إلى فرعون وقومه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
And place your hand in the collar of your garment. It will come out shining, white without any blemish. Among 9 miraculous signs sent to Pharaoh and his nation, they were a rebellious nation.
فلما جاءتهم آياتنا مبصرة قالوا هذا سحر مبين.
So when our eye-opening signs came to them, they said, "This is clear sorcery."
وجحدوا بها واستيقنتها أنفسهم ظلما وعلوا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المفسدين.
And they denied them in oppression and arrogance, and yet their hearts had accepted them. So observe what became of those who spread discord.
ولقد آتينا داود وسليمان علما وقال الحمد لله الذي فضلنا على كثير من عباده المؤمنين.
And we endowed Dawood and Suleiman with profound knowledge, and they said, "All praise is for Allah who granted us excellence over many of his believing people."
وورث سليمان داود وقال يا أيها الناس علمنا منطق الطير وقال يا أيها الناس علمنا منطق الطير وأوتينا من كل شيء إن هذا لهو الفضل المبين.
And Suleiman became the successor of Dawood, and he said, "O people, we have been taught the language of the birds, and we have been granted abundance from all things. Indeed, this is clear grace."
وحشر لسليمان جنوده من الجن والإنس والطير فهم يوزعون.
And for Suleiman, his army was gathered from the jinn and humans and birds, and they would be held back.
حتى إذا أتوا على واد النمل قالت نملة يا أيها النمل ادخلوا مساكنكم لا يحطمنكم سليمان وجنوده وهم لا يشعرون.
Until when they came to a valley of ants, an ant said, "O ants, enter your homes lest Suleiman and his army crush you while they are unaware."
فتبسم ضاحكا من قولها وقال رب أوزعني أن أشكر نعمتك التي أنعمت علي وعلى والدي وأن أعمل صالحا ترضاه وأدخلني برحمتك في عبادك الصالحين.
So he smiled, beaming at her statement, and said, "My Lord, enable me to express gratitude for your favor which you bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and that I may perform the righteous deed which you are pleased with, and include me with your mercy among your righteous elite.
وتفقد الطير فقال ما لي لا أرى الهدهد أم كان من الغائبين.
And he observed the birds. So he said, what has happened to me that I do not see the hoopoe bird, or is he among the absentees?
لأعذبنه عذابا شديدا أو لأذبحنه أو ليأتيني بسلطان مبين.
I shall most definitely punish him severely, or I will most certainly slaughter him, or he will bring to me clear justification.
فمكث غير بعيد فقال أحطت بما لم تحط به وجئتك من سبأ بنبأ يقين.
So he, the hoopoe bird, stayed away for a short while. Then on returning he said, I have seen that which you have not seen, and I bring to you definite news from the kingdom of Saba, Sheba.
إني وجدت امرأة تملكهم وأوتيت من كل شيء ولها عرش عظيم.
I found a woman ruling over them, and she has been given from all things, and she has a mighty throne.
وجدتها وقومها يسجدون للشمس من دون الله وزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فصدهم عن السبيل فهم لا يهتدون.
I found her and her nation prostrating to the sun, leaving Allah, and Satan adorned their deeds for them. So he prevented them from the true way, so they do not attain guidance.
ألا يسجدوا لله الذي يخرج الخبأ في السماوات والأرض ويعلم ما تخفون وما تعلنون.
Satan prevented them, so that they do not prostrate to Allah who brings forth the concealed things of the heavens and the earth. And he knows whatever you conceal and whatever you reveal.
الله لا إله إلا هو رب العرش العظيم.
Allah, there is no God but Him, Lord of the divine throne, Al-Arsh.
قال سننظر أصدقت أم كنت من الكاذبين.
He, Suleiman, said, we shall soon see whether you spoke the truth or you are among the liars.
اذهب بكتابي هذا فألقه إليهم ثم تول عنهم فانظر ماذا يرجعون.
Go forth with this letter of mine and deliver it to them. Then withdraw from them and observe their response.
قالت يا أيها الملأ إني ألقي إلي كتاب كريم.
She said, O commanders, an honorable letter has been delivered to me.
إنه من سليمان وإنه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
It is from Suleiman, and indeed it is in the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألا تعلوا علي وأتوني مسلمين.
Do not seek ascendancy over me, and present yourselves to me as obedient people.
قالت يا أيها الملأ أفتوني في أمري ما كنت قاطعة أمرا حتى تشهدون.
She said, O commanders, give me your opinion in this matter of mine. I do not make a definitive decision in a matter until you are present with me.
قالوا نحن أولو قوة وأولو بأس شديد والأمر إليك فانظري ماذا تأمرين.
They said, We are powerful and most fierce in battle, and the right of command is with you, so consider what you will command.
قالت إن الملوك إذا دخلوا قرية أفسدوها وجعلوا أعزة أهلها أذلة وكذلك يفعلون.
She said, Indeed, when kings enter a town, they destroy it and humiliate its esteemed inhabitants, and thus they do.
وإني مرسلة إليهم بهدية فناظرة بما يرجع المرسلون.
I shall send a gift to them, then I shall see what answer the emissaries return with.
فلما جاء سليمان قال أتمدونني بمال فما آتاني الله خير مما آتاكم بل أنتم بهديتكم تفرحون.
So when he, the emissary, approached Suleiman, Suleiman said, Do you offer me aid through wealth? So what Allah has granted me is better than that which He gave you. Rather, you alone rejoice at your gift.
ارجع إليهم فلنأتينهم بجنود لا قبل لهم بها ولنخرجنهم منها أذلة وهم صاغرون.
Return to them, so we shall most definitely bring to them an army which they will not have the power to face, and we shall most certainly banish them from it, Sabah, humiliated, and they will be disgraced.
قال يا أيها الملأ أيكم يأتيني بعرشها قبل أن يأتوني مسلمين.
He, Suleiman, said, O courtiers, which of you will bring to me her throne before they present themselves to me as obedient people?
قال عفريت من الجن أنا آتيك به قبل أن تقوم من مقامك وإني عليه لقوي أمين.
And Ifrit from the jinn said, I shall bring it to you before you stand from your place. I am powerful and trustworthy for this task.
قال الذي عنده علم من الكتاب أنا آتيك به قبل أن يرتد إليك طرفك فلما رآه مستقرا عنده قال هذا من فضل ربي ليبلوني أأشكر أم أكفر ومن شكر فإنما يشكر لنفسه ومن كفر فإن ربي غني كريم.
The one who had knowledge of the book said, I will bring it to you before you blink. So when he saw the throne placed near him, he said, This is from the grace of my Lord, that he may test me whether I express gratitude or be ungrateful. Whosoever expresses gratitude, he only expresses gratitude for himself. And whosoever is ungrateful, then indeed my Lord is infinitely independent, most generous.
قال نكروا لها عرشها ننظر أتهتدي أم تكون من الذين لا يهتدون.
He, Suleiman, said, Change her throne for her. We shall see whether she finds the path or becomes of those who do not find the path.
فلما جاءت قيل أهكذا عرشك قالت كأنه هو وأوتينا العلم من قبلها وكنا مسلمين.
Then when she arrived, it was said to her, Is your throne like this? She said, It seems to be the same. And we were given knowledge before this, and we are obedient.
وصدها ما كانت تعبد من دون الله إنها كانت من قوم كافرين.
And that which she worshipped apart from Allah had prevented her from the truth. She was from a disbelieving nation.
قيل لها ادخل الصرح فلما رأته حسبته لجة وكشفت عن ساقيها قال إنه صرح ممرد من قوارير. قالت رب إني ظلمت نفسي وأسلمت مع سليمان لله رب العالمين.
It was said to her, Enter the courtyard. So when she saw it, she considered it to be deep water, and she raised her garment above her shins. He, Suleiman, said, Indeed it is a smooth courtyard, paved with glass. She said, My Lord, indeed I have wronged my soul and I submit with Suleiman to Allah, Lord of all the worlds.
ولقد أرسلنا إلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا أن اعبدوا الله فإذا هم فريقان يختصمون.
And we certainly sent to Thamud their kinsman Saleh, saying, Worship Allah. So they instantly split into two groups disputing.
قال يا قوم لم تستعجلون بالسيئة قبل الحسنة لولا تستغفرون الله لعلكم ترحمون.
He, Saleh, said, O my nation, why do you hasten to evil before goodness? Why do you not seek forgiveness from Allah? Perhaps you shall receive mercy.
قالوا اطيرنا بك وبمن معك قال طائركم عند الله بل أنتم قوم تفتنون.
They said, We have taken a bad omen from you and those with you. He said, Your superstition is with Allah. Rather, you are a nation being tested.
وكان في المدينة 9 رهط يفسدون في الأرض ولا يصلحون.
And there were 9 individuals in the city who used to spread discord in the land and did not reform.
قالوا تقاسموا بالله لنبيتنه وأهله ثم لنقولن لوليه ما شهدنا مهلك أهله وإنا لصادقون.
They swore by Allah amongst themselves, saying, "We shall most definitely attack him and his family by night. Then we will most certainly say to his heir that we were not present during the killing of his family, and indeed we are truthful."
ومكروا مكرا ومكرنا مكرا وهم لا يشعرون.
And they plotted and we planned while they remained heedless.
فانظر كيف كان عاقبة مكرهم أنا دمرناهم وقومهم أجمعين.
So observe what became of their plotting. We destroyed them and their entire nation.
فتلك بيوتهم خاوية بما ظلموا إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يعلمون.
So these are their houses, deserted due to their oppression. In this there is a sign for those who know.
وأنجينا الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون.
And we granted salvation to those who embraced faith and were pious.
ولوطا إذ قال لقومه أتأتون الفاحشة وأنتم تبصرون.
And remember Lut when he said to his nation, "Do you adopt indecency while you see?
أئنكم لتأتون الرجال شهوة من دون النساء بل أنتم قوم تجهلون."
Do you approach men lustfully leaving women? Rather you are an ignorant nation.
فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا أخرجوا آل لوط من قريتكم إنهم أناس يتطهرون.
So the answer of his nation was only their statement, "Banish the family of Lut from your village. They are people who are overly pure."
فأنجيناه وأهله إلا امرأته قدرناها من الغابرين.
So we granted him and his family salvation, except his wife. We had appointed her among those who remained behind.
وأمطرنا عليهم مطرا فساء مطر المنذرين.
And we rained upon them a rain, so how evil was the rain of the warned.
قل الحمد لله وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى الله خير أما يشركون.
Say, all praise is for Allah, and peace be upon those of his people whom he chose. Is Allah better, or that which they ascribe as partners?
أَمَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَأَنزَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ حَدَائِقَ حدائق ذات بهجة ما كان لكم أن تنبتوا شجرها أإله مع الله بل هم قوم يعدلون.
Or he who created the heavens and the earth and sent down water from the sky for you, so we made magnificent gardens to grow with it, i.e., the water. It was not possible for you to make their trees grow. Is there a God with Allah? Certainly not. Rather, they are a nation who ascribe partners to Allah.
أَمَّنْ جَعَلَ الْأَرْضَ قَرَارًا وَجَعَلَ خِلَالَهَا أَنْهَارًا وَجَعَلَ لَهَا رَوَاسِيَ وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ حَاجِزًا أَإِلَهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Or he who created the earth as residence, and created rivers between it, and created anchors for it, and created a barrier between two seas. Is there a God with Allah? Certainly not. Rather, most of them do not know.
أَمَّنْ يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَاهُ وَيَكْشِفُ السُّوءَ وَيَجْعَلُكُمْ خُلَفَاءَ الْأَرْضِ أَإِلَهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قَلِيلًا مَا تَذَكَّرُونَ.
Or he who answers the call of the one in dire need when he supplicates to him, and he repels evil and makes you inheritors of the earth. Is there a God with Allah? You seldom heed advice.
أَمَّنْ يَهْدِيكُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَمَنْ يُرْسِلُ الرِّيَاحَ بُشْرًا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ رَحْمَتِهِ أإله مع الله تعالى الله عما يشركون.
Or he who guides you in the darkness of land and sea, and who sends winds as glad tidings before his mercy. Is there a God with Allah? Allah is exalted above what they ascribe as partners.
أَمَّنْ يَبْدَأُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ وَمَنْ يَرْزُقُكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَإِلَهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Or he who originates the creation, then he will create it again, and who provides sustenance to you from the sky and the earth. Is there a God with Allah? Say, bring forth your proof if you are truthful.
قُل لَّا يَعْلَمُ مَن فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ الْغَيْبَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ أَيَّانَ يُبْعَثُونَ.
Say, no one in the heavens and the earth knows the unseen except Allah, and they do not know when they will be resurrected.
بل ادارك علمهم في الآخرة بل هم في شك منها بل هم منها عمون.
Has their knowledge of the hereafter become complete? Rather, they are in doubt concerning it. In fact, they are blind to it.
وقال الذين كفروا أإذا كنا ترابا وآباؤنا أإنا لمخرجون.
And the disbelievers said, when we and our forefathers become dust, will we then be brought forth?
لقد وعدنا هذا نحن وآباؤنا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
This was certainly promised to us and our forefathers previously. These are only fabricated tales of previous communities.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المجرمين.
Say, explore the earth, so see what became of the wrongdoers.
ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تكن في ضيق مما يمكرون.
Dear beloved Prophet, do not grieve upon them, and do not be constricted due to that which they plot.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass? If you are truthful, tell us.
قل عسى أن يكون ردف لكم بعض الذي تستعجلون.
Say, perhaps some of that which you seek in haste is behind you.
وإن ربك لذو فضل على الناس ولكن أكثرهم لا يشكرون.
And indeed, your Lord is most gracious to the people. However, most of them do not express gratitude.
وإن ربك ليعلم ما تكن صدورهم وما يعلنون.
And indeed, your Lord knows that which their hearts conceal and that which they reveal.
وما من غائبة في السماء والأرض إلا في كتاب مبين.
And there is nothing of the unseen in the sky and the earth except it is mentioned in a relating book.
إن هذا القرآن يقص على بني إسرائيل أكثر الذي هم فيه يختلفون.
This Quran relates to the children of Israel about much of what they dispute.
وإنه لهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين.
It is guidance and mercy for the believers.
إن ربك يقضي بينهم بحكمه وهو العزيز العليم.
Your Lord will decide between them with His command, and He is the most exalted, the all-knowing.
فتوكل على الله إنك على الحق المبين.
So place your trust in Allah. Indeed, you are upon the clear truth.
إنك لا تسمع الموتى ولا تسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ولوا مدبرين.
Surely you can neither make the dead hear nor make the deaf hear your call when they turn their backs in retreat.
وما أنت بهاد العمي عن ضلالتهم إن تسمع إلا من يؤمن بآياتنا فهم مسلمون.
And you are not one to guide the blind from their misguidance. You can only make those who believe in our verses hear you, so they are obedient.
وإذا وقع القول عليهم أخرجنا لهم دابة من الأرض تكلمهم أن الناس كانوا بآياتنا لا يوقنون.
And when the word will come to pass against them, we will bring forth a beast from the earth for them which will speak to them, as people were not certain of our verses.
ويوم نحشر من كل أمة فوجا ممن يكذب بآياتنا فهم يوزعون.
And remember the day when we will gather from every nation a group of those who denied our verses, so they will be restrained.
حتى إذا جاءوا قال أكذبتم بآياتي ولم تحيطوا بها علما أم ماذا كنتم تعملون.
Until when they come, He, Allah, will say, Did you deny my verses, even though your knowledge had not encompassed them? Or what were you doing?
ووقع القول عليهم بما ظلموا فهم لا ينطقون.
And the word came to pass against them due to their oppression, so they do not speak.
ألم يروا أنا جعلنا الليل ليسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Did they not see that we created the night that they may rest therein, and the day an awakener? In this there are signs for the people of faith.
ويوم ينفخ في الصور ففزع من في السماوات ومن في الأرض إلا من شاء الله وكل أتوه داخرين.
And the day the horn will be blown, then whosoever is in the heavens and the earth will be terrified, except those whom Allah wills, and all will come to Him with humility.
وترى الجبال تحسبها جامدة وهي تمر مر السحاب صنع الله الذي أتقن كل شيء إنه خبير بما تفعلون.
And you will see mountains, you will consider them to be anchored, even though they will be moving like clouds. This is the creating of Allah who strengthened everything. He is aware of all that you do.
من جاء بالحسنة فله خير منها وهم من فزع يومئذ آمنون.
Whosoever brings a good deed, then for him there is something better than it as reward, and they will be safe from the terror of that day.
ومن جاء بالسيئة فكبت وجوههم في النار هل تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And whosoever brings evil, so their faces will be cast into the fire. Oh, O people, you will only be recompensed for what you used to do.
إنما أمرت أن أعبد رب هذه البلدة الذي حرمها وله كل شيء وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
I have only been commanded to worship the Lord of this city, i.e. Makkah, who made it sacred, and everything belongs to him, and I have been commanded to remain among the obedient.
وأن أتلو القرآن فمن اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فقل إنما أنا من المنذرين.
And this, that I recite the Quran, so whosoever attained guidance, so he only attains guidance for himself. And whosoever is misguided, so say, I am only among the warners.
وقل الحمد لله سيريكم آياته فتعرفونها وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
And say, all praise is for Allah. Soon He will show you His signs, then you will recognize them. And dear beloved Prophet, your Lord, O people, is not unaware of what you do.